Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. I welcome you all in 8th standard class. Today we are going to learn history. Chapter number 1, Sources of History. In this chapter we are going to learn about statues and memorials. During the pre-independence and post-independence period, memorials of many personalities were erected in the form of statues. Pre-independence means before independence and post-independence means after independence. They are important for the study of modern Indian history. For example, the display plaque on the statue gives us information about the full name of the concerned person, their birth and death details, information about their contribution, and a biographical sketch of the person. From the memorials also, which are erected in the memory of various events, which give the information about the concerned event, period, and people relate to the event. For example, Dandi March Memorial. Dandi March Memorial, which is situated in the Dandi place in Gujarat, who indicate the historical Dandi March event followed by Mahatma Gandhi. Hutatma Smarak at Flora Fountain has also the memory of Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. These are the example of statues and memorials. Now the statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. When we saw the statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, we remembered he wrote our Constitution of India. Because of that, we got our rights, reservations in many faculties. These are the examples of statues and memorials. Because of these statues and memorials, we got information of modern Indian history. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Bye-bye.